What's up, family? All right, today we're going to briefly discuss James Meredith, the man who began a solitary walk, and the resulting fallout and outrage from him getting shot resulted in the March Against Fear. Let's get into it shortly after this introduction.
But if you think the battle's won, think again. The fact is, for each one we reach, there's one we can't. And if we can't reach them, chances are nobody can. Because a mind is a terrible thing to waste.
On June 6, 1966, James Meredith, the first African American to enroll at the University of Mississippi, began a solitary walk. His plan was to walk all the way from Memphis, Tennessee to Jackson, Mississippi, with the mission of calling attention to racism and continued voter discrimination in the South. Shortly after starting his walk, he was gunned down by James Norvell, a white gunman. The resulting fallout and outrage from the shooting led several major civil rights activists and organizations, including the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee, the Southern Christian Leadership Conference, the Mississippi Freedom Democratic Party, the Congress of Racial Equality, and the Medical Committee for Human Rights to continue the walk in honor of James Meredith. The Deacons of Defense and Justice served as an armed escort along the way. By the end of the march on June 22, 1966, the number of marchers had risen to approximately 15,000 in Jackson, Mississippi, making it one of the largest marches in history for that area. At a rally towards the end of the march, Stokely Carmichael first publicly said "Black Power" in a speech urging self-determination and black pride. James Meredith was a brave man whose accomplishment deserves to be celebrated. Please let me know your thoughts on this video down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video very soon. All right, peace, family.